What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Abe Delgado over here with Trackhawk Shenanigans with another YouTube video. So like I talked about a couple weeks ago, I had the B Woody Performance suspension kit coming in, and I've had it for a few weeks, but I just haven't had the time to install it and put it together. But today I'm going to give you guys an unboxing of what's inside there, what you can expect, and kind of the different options you can go with. So let's go ahead and check it out. Already took the time and opened part of the box. Just be careful because you got all these staples throughout the top of it. Pretty sharp, but let's see what we got inside here. Receipts. Looks like some instructions. Sticker. Looks like some mounting hardware. More hardware. Let's go in with the grease zerk package. They're already pre-drilled. There's openings for you, so all you gotta do is screw them on there. It's pretty nice. You can keep your stuff maintenance up. Put grease in there. Amber bracket kit. So I guess guessing they bought this from like a third-party company, but so there's gonna be a differential bracket support, and they send you a drill bit. It'll be fun. Oh wow, look at that. They even send some anti-seize. Oh, down here should be all the parts. Alright, look at that. Got some toe links, front. These are the adjustable control arms. I don't know if you can see through there, but there's some nuts in there. Rear diff. Support. Bushings already on there. B Woody Performance. I want to say this one's the front diff support too. If you guys don't know what these parts are, what they do, or which ones you get, call them up. I know it was kind of overwhelming for me at first because I didn't really know what to do, which parts, what bushings to get. Call them up, especially if you do a front diff support. This is an option in the package. There's two different versions. Yeah, call them up and let them know what you have, and then they'll get you squared up. Hybrid. There's your opening for your zerks. Probably do that first before I put this stuff together. We'll give them this. They did a hell of a job wrapping this stuff. I mean, if there's such overkill about the wrapping, it's this. But you know what? I'm all good for it. Like, that's awesome. You could have probably thrown this thing out of a plane and that box would get destroyed. So these parts would have been fine. I mean, it's like, look at this one. You can't even see the yellow on the other side. I mean, it's a lot of wrap, which is cool. I'm good with it. I'm not complaining. I'd rather have more protection than not enough. So alright guys, we finally got everything in a box, and wow. If you guys are wondering why did I go with yellow, yellow is actually like their kind of default color. I mean, this stuff is power coated, so it's going to last forever, and you can get different colors if you want to, and I believe they always have sales going on right now. I think this stuff is like 15% off at the moment, so go ahead and check them out. Calipers that come on Trackhawks, all of them, doesn't matter what color you get, whether it's this red or you get in black or white, they will all come with yellow calipers. The SRTs come with red. So who's this kit for, and why would you want it? Well, for those that you don't know, the Trackhawk, with the 707 horsepower it has, they did not upgrade the suspension. A lot of these same components that I'm about to pull out of the car are the same components you'll find in the V6 version, which is ridiculous to me. With 700 horsepower, especially with launching these cars, guys, you get some wheel hop. It's supposed to help with that. It's supposed to help with that wheel hop, stiffen up the ride a little bit. Not that this car is smooth at all, but as far as losing weight, you will not be losing weight. You'll actually be gaining weight with these parts. which is fine with me. I've seen what some of those parts look like underneath the car when I replaced the springs, and they were weak. I can already tell these things are way beefier. Pretty impressed. But like I said, it was packaged great. Pretty good quality. Looking forward to putting this on and kind of seeing the difference before and after. So guys, just want to give you a quick little overview of what I got going on next with the Trackhawk. I hope you guys enjoyed it. These are pretty cool parts. I'm looking forward to installing them. It should be pretty fun. But anyways, be that cool guy and hit that like button. Go ahead and share this video with your friends if you find it to be cool and stuff like that. You know, let's get it out to the community. And go ahead and subscribe if you guys are new. You know, check it out. I got some cool videos coming up. I'll definitely give you my, you know, after impressions on what do I think about it after we install it, get it a nice little line, but should be pretty awesome. Anyways, guys, see you on the next one. Peace.